Hi, I'm colleague from the OnceHub support team, and in this video, I'll show you how to export your chatbot conversation transcripts. Exporting transcripts allows you to keep a detailed record of all your OnceHub chatbot activities, including booking information, interactions, and more. It's a quick and efficient way to review your past activities, analyze customer interactions, or maintain documentation for reporting purpose. Whether you need to share these details with your team, or just generate insights for your business, or simply keep your data organized, the export transcript feature makes it easy. With that said, let's get started. So I have signed into my OnceHub account. On the left, you will see the activities option. We'll click here and we'll go to bot conversations. Here on the top, you have the export option. We'll click on this drop down and select export with transcript. Okay, so an Excel file would be downloaded and you should be able to pull up all the data in Excel. You'll have all the required information that you need for your chatbot conversation. With that said, you have now learned how to export your OnceHub activity transcripts. With this feature, you can easily review your chatbot activity history, track potential customers, and keep accurate records for reporting or analysis. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support channels. We'll be happy to assist. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe for more OnceHub tutorials. Thank you.